Are you a breastfeeding mom who's experiencing sore, cracked, damaged nipples in your breastfeeding journey? This video might be very helpful for you. In today's video, I am sharing a product that is natural, eco-friendly, that many moms have found it very helpful in soothing, protecting, and treating their damaged nipples. So if you want to learn more about the product, keep on watching. Hi, welcome back. I'm Ginez. I'm an international board certified lactation consultant, a registered nurse, and a mom. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about the Silverette Nursing Cups. If you are a soon-to-be mom or a breastfeeding mom, I'm so happy that you're here. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my breastfeeding tips. Before I start talking about the Silverette Nursing Cups, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored. The company was very nice to send me a sample of the product to talk about it and share it with my breastfeeding moms, but the video is not sponsored, okay? And before I talk more about the Silverette Nursing Cups, I just want to say that, let's say the beginning of breastfeeding, when you first start breastfeeding your baby in the early days, soreness is to be expected. But I just want you to have a clear understanding that soreness and pain are two different things. Okay, so some soreness is to be expected, and these could work very well for you, especially if you have very sensitive nipples. Also, I want to say that when it comes to cracked and bleeding nipples, there's something wrong with breastfeeding. So you want to reach out and get professional help. So that lactation consultant and IBCLC could help you with positioning and latching and making sure that baby is transferring milk at the breast. Because if your nipples are cracking and bleeding, there's something wrong and something needs to be done very soon to save your milk supply and your breastfeeding journey. Okay, so these could complement your breastfeeding journey very well, in my opinion, because silver is known to have healing properties. So the Silverettes come in this little box, and then when you open it, it has like a little booklet with information. And then it has a pair of the Silverettes, the Silverette Nursing Cups. And they look like this. Okay. So they're made pure from pure silver, 925 silver, and they're clinically tested, which is very good to know. These have been tested before hitting the market. So silver, pure silver, is a natural metal that has healing properties. It is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antifungal, antibacterial. So, it's definitely a natural healing metal. So you could keep it in mind, like if you wanted to add it in your baby registry, or just pack it in your hospital bag to make sure that you start using it from day one after you start breastfeeding. And something else that I wanted to say is that because they're pure silver, they're nickel free. So that's very good to know for those moms that could have a nickel sensitivity or allergy to. So how to use these? So the way you use them is in between feedings. You could put it right over your nipple. So it's recommended you could hand express a little bit of milk into the cup and then just put it over the nipple. And a lot of moms use a cover, and then your bra will keep it in place. You don't have to use a pad, but you could just put it on and your bra will keep it in place. Also, I've seen moms hand express, especially in the early days, hand express into these and feed baby colostrum or transition milk. Okay. And also, so that's how you wear them. They have a unique shape that will accommodate all nipple size, and it will not compress the nipple. So that's very important to know, because every mommy has different nipples. Okay, everyone is unique. So a lot of times when you have sore nipples or cracked nipples, they're very sensitive, and you want to create that barrier, because that just rubbing from clothing could be very uncomfortable. So these could be perfect for you, okay? Because they just go over and they protect, soothe, and heal your nursing nipples. Okay, that's what moms have said that these have done for them. Okay, and then you might question that, oh, are they heavy? These are very light. These are very light. Like one weighs like 0.1 ounce. So they're very light, which is good. So in terms of cleaning, you just want to rinse it every day with warm water just to get the milk residue out, and then dry it and just put it back on. And let's say because it's silver, it could tarnish a little bit, and just to keep it shiny, what you could do is you could make a paste of baking soda and a little bit of water and just rub it all over, and then just rinse it and put it back on. So you want to wear it in between feedings, and you don't have to wipe your nipple before feeding baby. Something that the company says is that you shouldn't be using these with like ointment, nipple ointments or cream, because it could decrease the efficacy, the efficiency of these. Okay. Something that I thought was really cool was that, so you could use these, they don't, regardless of how often you use them, they will still be effective. So you could save it, like if this is your first baby, you could save it for other babies if you're planning to have other children in the future. And if not, like at the end of your breastfeeding journey, you could send them back. You could use their recycling program, where you could send them back, and then they will make a pendant out of these, and then you could have these forever. You could wear it, you could wear them as a pendant. Really cool. I'm gonna try to insert a picture here. So very nice touch, and you will have those for a lifetime. Remember, as I said before, soreness is to be expected, and these could be great, especially in the early days. But for cracked and bleeding nipples, yes, these will help heal your cracked nipples and damaged nipples. But we have to address the cause, the root of the cause. We need to see why is this happening, and you need to reach out to an IBCLC to make sure that baby is latching correctly, and that and then just to continue with a plan of care to make sure that your breastfeeding journey continues successful. Let me know in the comments, have you heard of them? Do you have a pair? Do you like them? Have you found them helpful? Let me know in the comments. In the description box below, I have left a link so you could read their reviews, and then if you decide to purchase them, you could purchase them there too. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it and share it with any pregnant mom or breastfeeding mom that you think could benefit from the healing power of silver. So I'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.